So if you purchase a new DSLR, then congratulations. Or if you are using your existing old DSLR and want to know how to transfer only photos from your DSLR to your Android smartphone. So hey guys, welcome to brosmart, and in this video I'm going to show you what you need to purchase to transfer files, only photos from your DSLR camera to your smartphone with just an USB cable. And yeah, let's get started. So if you have been following me for like past 6 months, then you might know that I purchased the Realme 3 Pro, and the Realme 3 Pro has a micro USB cable. So what you have to do first, if your phone has a micro USB port, then you must definitely go for an OTG cable that has a micro USB cable. And if you own a OnePlus phone, or if your phone has a type C port, then definitely go for an OTG type C cable. So to connect your smartphone with the DSLR camera, you need an OTG cable. This one is a premium OTG cable. As you can see, the cable is braided and this is metal. So this is a really premium and good quality USB cable that I purchased for 250 rupees. Anyways, you can go to your local market and purchase a OTG cable that will only cost around 50 to 75 rupees. Another cable you must need is this cable for your camera. So for Canon 200D, this is the cable the camera use. You can just open the camera port and look for the cable type. But anyways, you need a cable like this. You have to purchase this cable on Amazon for like 100 rupees. If you want to purchase an official Canon or Nikon branded cable, that will cost a lot. Trust me, I went to a Canon shop and this cable, like branded Canon cable, cost around 1500 rupees. I will also put the link of this cable in the description below, so definitely do check these out. So first of all, you need to take your mobile and just connect this to the USB port, and also this cable, the micro USB cable, to your smartphone's hub like this. As you can see, the camera screen is still running and it is, you can shoot videos, but it is not connected to the mobile, and that is the problem with most of our this 2019-20 phones, because you have to enable the OTG feature directly from the menu itself. In Realme 3 Pro, what you have to do is go to additional settings, and I think it will work on most of the phones, but if you if the camera doesn't appear in the file section, then you must go to the setting and find for the OTG connection setting. As you can see, here is the OTG connection and you have to turn it on. So turn on your phone like this, then what you have to do is just turn on your camera, put it into the photography mode, not the videography mode. So as you can see, this is the photography, the on is the photography mode, and this is the videography mode. So you have to turn the camera on to the photography mode. So once more, let me show you. You have to just shift it like this to photography mode, and that's it. So once you see the sign over here, a laptop computer sign, now take your mobile or a smartphone, Android smartphone, and here is the folder. So you click on this folder and you will find all the photos that you took with the camera. So yeah, you can just import it like this, and the photo will be imported to your smartphone. The photos will be copied to your smartphone, so the photos will remain on the camera when you import it on the smartphone. So if you accidentally delete anything from your phone, don't worry, the photos will be safe inside this camera. So yeah, that's a good feature. I wish this feature was also available for sharing video files or transferring video files from your DSLR to an Android smartphone. So I think you got some idea on how to transfer photos from your DSLR camera to your smartphone, Android smartphone. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching. This is brosmart, and I will see you guys in my next video.